Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Anvi, and today we'll be discussing about MBA at Bennett. So, if you're also planning to pursue MBA and considering Bennett as one of your options, so let's know is it feasible for you or not? What is the fees? What are the placements? How is the campus life, etc. So, let's proceed. So, talking about Bennett and its campus life, if you guys don't know about it, which I've already discussed in my previous videos too. So it was established in 2016 and is owned by the Times Group, which means you have good networking opportunities, good industry exposure and connections, etc. And talking about the campus life, it is really good, I would say. You have multiple sports opportunities, you have swimming pool and all the available sports, and the campus is tech enabled, it has global infrastructure. So, yes, it is really cool. So, for MBA, your eligibility would be graduating from a recognized institution, of course, and your scores from exams such as CAT or MAT would be considered. Next comes your application form that you fill in, and post that you go for the interview round, personal interview round. Also, if your scores aren't that good, you can perform well in the personal interview round. It gives you a higher chance of admission. So, talking about the fees to pursue MBA at Bennett, the fees is around 10 to 12 lakhs for the full course. This is excluding the hostel and separate fees. This was only the tuition fee. So your lifestyle and other expenses are different. So now talking about the placements at Bennett for MBA. So placements are quite decent, but not top tier yet because Bennett is still a growing university. So yes, the top recruiters include consulting, tech sectors, market, finance, etc. And plus, the Times Group connection helps you secure media and communication roles. See, I would say most of the things depend on you because you get the degree, but the skill sets that you learn and the internships or the opportunities that you grab will get you good placements. So, talking about the campus life at Bennett, campus is really lively and the campus life is really good, I would say, because the infrastructure is modern. There are multiple sports facilities. There are events held almost on daily basis. The fest is really good, and you get good exposure. You make a lot of friends. There are people from different states. You make a lot of connections. You get all the opportunities to excel. So yes, the campus life is really cool. There are multiple cafeterias, you get good food options, everything is cool. So now lastly, moving towards pros and cons. So for pros, you have good infrastructure, good campus life, a very spacious campus, practical learning in MBA, and good amount of events, opportunities, connections, industry exposure, etc. And summarizing the cons, the fees might be on a higher side for some of the people, and the campus is still growing. It's still building its reputation. So yes, placements might not be as good as the top tier colleges, but they give you a lot of opportunities, and you have a good chance to grab good placements. Yes. So that's all for the video. If you want me to cover any extra points or if you have any other questions, just mention them in the comments. And see you very soon. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.